I am inviting you today for a relaxing and joyful visualization of having a short walk in nature. You're welcome to select a version with nature sounds, or simply imagine you are hearing bird songs and the sounds of the wind breeze in the treetops. Perhaps you even have an opportunity to practice outside, enjoying real sounds of nature. First, take some time to find a comfortable position, making sure you are warm and your body can be relaxed and well supported by the surface you are sitting or lying on. You can close your eyes or keep them open, keeping the gaze soft and relaxed. Letting your eyes relax during this practice as well. And once you settled into the position, take some deep and slow breaths to let your nervous system naturally calm down and relax. Taking a deep inhale, letting it fully inflate the chest and belly, and then slowly exhaling, breathing in through the nose or mouth, however it is most comfortable for you, and breathing out through the nose or mouth, allowing the exhale to be a bit longer each time you breathe out. One more deep inhale, inflating the chest and belly, and then slow exhale, releasing any tension from the body with a slow exhale. I invite you now to expand your attention to include the whole body, feeling how it is grounded through the feet, legs, back, and arms to the surface you are sitting or lying on. Fully noticing the contact of the body to that surface. Letting the body to be heavy and as relaxed as possible for you right now. Letting any tension simply dissolve into the surface you're on. There's no need to force this relaxation, and there is no specific goal to achieve here. Just 5% more relaxed can feel wonderful. You may also briefly notice the state of your heart and mind. Do you find your thoughts racing and your mind busy today? It may help to quietly label the thoughts if they become predominant. Perhaps as simply thinking, or planning, or remembering. Similarly, if emotions seem to come to your attention, naming them may be helpful. And once the thought or emotion is named and allowed to naturally dissolve into the background of your awareness, you can return to the breath or body sensations. and allow the body to relax and mind to calm down while you are simply focusing on breathing and releasing any remaining tension you may still be noticing. Right now, simply breathing and being present is enough. You don't need to go anywhere or do anything. There is no need to control your experience of breathing, no need to control sensations you feel in your body. Just let yourself rest for a short while. Hopefully, by now, you are able to slow down your thoughts, release some tension in the body, and find a bit more peace and stillness in your heart. It is now time to take a journey into the spring forest. Imagine you are following a narrow path, walking slowly. You have plenty of time to notice your surroundings, as well as the way your body, mind, and heart respond to the beauty of nature. As you walk on the gravel path, you can perhaps feel the small pebbles through the soles of your shoes, noticing the strength of the bones and muscles of your feet and legs, carrying you towards the trees. You are moving slowly, taking each balanced step in a mindful way. There is so much joy in moving naturally and without any hurry whatsoever. There is time to simply enjoy the sensations of movement itself. Breathing in deeply, you notice the pleasant freshness of the cool air. The air is not quite yet warmed up by the morning sun. That cool breeze wakes up your senses and gives you energy to continue the walk. Brushing against the blades of grass covered in the morning dew, the moisture does not penetrate your shoes though. You just observe with pleasure the colors of the rainbow released by the sun in these small water droplets. Stopping by a plant with brand new leaves growing out of it, you extend your hand to touch the delicate fresh leaves. The smooth and cool surface of leaves is very pleasant to the touch, so you slide your fingers through several leaves, fully enjoying this simple touch experience of the fresh new life. Your hands are getting a bit wet from dewdrops, so you shake moisture off and put your hands in the pockets of your jacket. After all, it is not summer yet, so your fingers need a bit of warming up. Resuming the walk towards the forest, you notice more sounds now. Birds singing, the sound of tree branches dancing gracefully in the wind, the rhythmic sound your feet make as you continue the walk. You even hear a woodpecker hiding somewhere deeper in the forest. Listening to all these sounds as if they were part of a beautiful symphony. Noticing some patches of color in the bright green grass along the path, you move closer to look at spring flowers, admiring their bright colors, the yellows, whites, and violets. As you look further between the trees, you notice whole carpets of flowers covering the ground. Breathing in deeply, your attention shifts towards the smells. You notice the dominant smell of the wet soil and grass, as well as the more subtle fragrance of flowers. Standing still for a moment as you have reached the forest, you focus only on breathing again, inhaling deeply all the smells and fresh air of the spring morning, and exhaling slowly, releasing any tension, allowing the body to relax and the mind to calm down. Inhaling deeply, smelling the spring, and exhaling slowly, releasing the stress and worry. You decide to have a longer rest, lying comfortably on the waterproof blanket spread over a soft moss, focusing attention on the whole body and feeling how it is grounded through the feet, legs, back and arms to the earth you are lying on. Fully noticing the contact of the body to the surface again, letting it be as heavy and relaxed as possible, letting any tension simply dissolve into the ground. There is no need to force this relaxation. You can just let the body rest and relax naturally, as it feels so pleasant to be resting and relaxing after the walk. You notice perhaps that your mind is a bit less distracted and the thinking process has slowed down. Your heart is maybe filled with more peace and stillness as you stay grounded and connected to your body, as you notice the sights and sounds of nature that surround you. You feel calm and relaxed. Right now, simply breathing and being present is enough. You don't need to go anywhere or do anything. There's no need to control the experience of breathing, no need to control sensations you feel in your body. Just let yourself rest for a short while, surrounded by the nature and the freshness of spring season in the forest. You are welcome to stay in the forest for as long as you wish, keeping warm and relaxed, perhaps even taking a nap. If you are ready to close the meditation, you may wish to take a few deep breaths again. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed and stretch or move the body in the way that suits you best. I look forward to hearing what part of today's meditation experience you liked the most. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. I wish you all a beautiful and happy springtime.